Stop. That was my toe.
Okay, on your mark, set, swing.
Hit him.
There you go.
Hold on.
Okay, go.
Do it.
Oh.
Yes. Do it.
Aim lower. Don't grab that. Don't grab it? You might get hurt. It's right there. Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Watch out.
Okay.
Whoa, alright.
Right in the groin.
We're done?
So birthday girl will get to finish it. Come on, birthday girl, you can do it. Do it. I got candy.
What, it flew over there?
Yeah.
Somebody come out of
I
his
can
butt.
try it. No, it came out. It came out right.
Here.
Yeah.
That's his butt.
I don't want to touch it.
He's falling apart.
Okay, Vivian, I'm trying it. Okay, we got a spinny nose. Is it tight? Yeah. Okay. You can do this, Vivian. You can do this. Okay. Then right in the girl.
Get Pepe Le Pew.
Okay.
He's hideous. He buys leapfrogs.
Oh, okay.
Okay.